you all are doing well. I am also rocking in these days. During Corona time, teacher taught us online. At the same time, we are enjoying our game. Somewhere, I'm enjoying it. Do you? Let's come to our main topic. So today we are going to discuss the poem. The name of that poem is A Legend of the Northland. The name of the poet is Freddie Carey. Here, in this poem, we should know the poem is a ballad poem. What does it mean? The ballad poem means we tell the story with the help of small stanzas. So, let's rock! So, this poem is the historical tale of the Northland. Northland is a place around the North Pole. In the Northland, the climate is very cold, due to which days are short and the nights are long. Children wear fairy clothes in the Northland and look no less than a bear. People of Northland keep telling different stories to their children, but as usual, children tries to ignore to their parents' story. This story is of Saint Peter, who was a monk who used to roam around the world and teach people religious things. While walking, Saint Peter reached cottage, and where he got a beautiful smell. He goes inside and sees a woman making a cake in the kitchen.
Can you give me a piece of cake?
That lady is a single lady who don't want to share her cake with anyone. Let's see what she is going to do. Why not? Sure. Oh my God! I make a very big cake. I need to make this cake small as I have to share it with that monk. Oof! Again I made this cake larger. Again I need to make this cake smaller. But when the turn comes to share this cake with someone, then it seems that the cake is larger. When it's high time to eat this cake, then it shows that it is very smaller. Oof, now what I need to do now? But again, this tiny lady feels that cake is larger. This happened total 3 times. Seeing the action of this greedy woman, the monk gets angry.
You are a spot in the name of humanity, and I will give you a curse that now you will live like a woodpecker bird.
Please, don't do this, please. Now, all her clothes get burnt and only a cap is remaining, an unfortunate woman. Now, that bird have to work very hard for food because the woodpecker finds its food by perching in the tree. So sad. Look! Oh! Look at there! There is a woodpecker, which our parents told us in the story that the greedy lady has been transferred into the woodpecker. By the way, you must have understood that this story has nothing to do with the truth from far and wide. If you are given a chance to become an animal, then which animal would you like to become? Please write in the comment box and tell. If I got the chance, then I want to become a chimpanzee. Ha!